Marahiya, presented by Eleazar Harash. A secret not shared with the world. The people in the world called me the Dark One. They stayed away from me. They looked at me oddly. And was I dark to them? Yes, to them I was dark. But I had a secret. My concealed luminous side. It was shown only to him, to my master. In this way I came to know that I must reveal myself only to him, and I have nothing to reveal to the world, because it is not my world. My world is a secret, not shared with the world, but a secret illuminated by himself.